Okay, our first Craigslist out of the day is a personal alarm clock.
Jesse, how you
Jesse,
doing?
nice to
Sam.
meet you.
Sam.
Nice to meet you, Jesse.
Do you get a lot of people asking to wake them up?
Here and there. You know?
And luckily for us, Johnny's still asleep because it's 7 a.m. He thinks we start at 8.
Hey, Johnny, wake up! Relax, buddy. All right, I'm Jesse. I'm your wake-up call, and you got to get up. These guys hired me, and take a shower because your shop is